Welcome back everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to find deleted apps on your iPhone. So if you've had an iPhone in many years and you deleted some apps, however, you want to get those apps back and you don't remember the name, then let me show you a place where you can find this list of all the deleted apps or apps which are not on your current iPhone. So to do this, first you want to go to your App Store. Next, you want to go ahead and tap on your profile picture at the top right. And now from here, you want to go ahead and tap on Apps. And here, this is all the apps which you have purchased on your iPhone. Just above here, you'll see All, and just next to it, you'll see Not on this iPhone. So if you tap on that, this will show you all the apps which you have downloaded, but it's not on your iPhone yet. So you can go ahead and browse through these lists and see which app you're missing, and then go ahead and download it. So these apps are the apps that you've downloaded before in the past and you deleted it and it's not on your iPhone. So by tapping on this will download the app back to your iPhone, and that way you'll be able to use that app on your iPhone. And there you go, that is how to find deleted apps on your iPhone running iOS 18. Now, if you're new on the channel and you want to find out more about your iPhone, your Android phone, or any other social media apps, then don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Hit the like button if you find this video useful. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.